Hi friends, I am Tilak, you're watching TechMate Unique, and today we're going to see about a super Android launcher. It's called as Action Launcher. It will be look like this, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So download the Action Launcher Pixel Edition from the Play Store first. Then you have this launcher. It's a super featured launcher. You can see the widget on the top with a search bar on the bottom section. So there is a lot of feature. I'm just going to explain some of the best feature of this launcher. There is a full customization. Here, click on the folder, click on the state dot. You have an option called colors. Click on this color option. Here you can just change the theme color, or you can just use transparency if you just need it. Okay, so there's a lot of color changing option. And also if you just click on the make cover, the first app will be a cover of this. So you can just change the color by swiping the app. You just can swipe up to open the folder. It will be click on the state dot and click on the make as cover. The first app will be cover. If you swipe up, the folder will open. If you just click, the app will be open. So you can just change to make as folder if you just doesn't want this cover. Then you also have a widget. If you swipe up the app, you can just directly open the widget like home, shorts, like subscription, like that. For every apps that is here, if you just swipe up, you can see the widget. So this is a super option, and you can also have the widget for Chrome search, and every apps have the feature. And also it's a super and a unique feature of this launcher. And there's a lot more customization option on the setting. Actually on the setting, you just click on this, you have a quick bar. You can just change the style. You can customize the color of the everything in search bar, on the app drawer. Everything can be easily customized, and there is a lot of colorful options, and there's a lot of more advanced option too. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMate Unique.